there, it's Mary from mary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is day 7 of my 7 days of Christmas videos. So each video will feature a different Christmas themed either card or 3D project. So the first one is a card, and it features the Peaceful Deer punch, or the Deer Builder punch I should say, and the Peaceful Deer stamp set. Pretty simple. I'm using a crumb cake card base, real red embossed piece of cardstock, and I've used the gingham embossing folder for that one. Another piece of the designer series paper, and this is from the gingham cottage designer series paper, and another piece of crumb cake there just to mat that piece there. I've put a link to all the products I've used in the description bar below. So let's get ahead and make this pretty quick and easy card. I've gone ahead and done the embossing already. Let's do the punch. Let's get this punched out. So this is the Deer Builder punch. I'm using another piece of the gingham designer series paper. This is the real red. Punch him out. And for his little antlers, I've used some of the gold glimmer paper. And they are right here. I've already cut them, punched them. Put a couple of little glue dots on them already. So we'll pop them on. Oops. I'm also using the Essential Label punch for that background punch. Okay, there's his little antlers, right? Little pop of gold there. This is the Label Me Lovely punch. I'm using crumb cake again for that one. And just with a couple of dimensionals, pop them on the back of this. And on to the crumb cake card. There it goes. Now I've stamped the Merry Christmas on basic white in Old Olive. I've gone ahead and done that already just to save a little bit of time. Got a couple of small dimensionals on the back there. Just gonna put it on at an angle just for a little bit of something different. Why not, hey? Why not? And then that is going to go straight onto there with some more dimensionals. I'm just going to pop that to one side before I place it on here, because I have forgotten to go ahead and mount this on here. So all I've done is cut my crumb cake the same width, but just a centimetre longer, just so you've got that little bit of colour poking out. Put a Stampin' seal on here. So it's just to break up the gingham against the real red. Okay. Now we can pop that on, just in the centre somewhere. And then I've used the gold twine for my bow. Just going to straighten that out so it's a little bit easier to tie the bow. Looks pretty cute with that little pop of colour there glue dot. Tail, and then that is going to be layered straight onto our card base with dimensionals again. This card's got quite a bit of height, but not so much that it won't go through standard regular post. I really like black and white gingham. I really like gingham, full stop. But I really like the black and white. Red and black. It's one of my favourites. Combination. I think it looks cute with that really adorable little plaid deer there. Okay, and now our card. I should have my bone folder, but anyway, it's okay. Combo. There you have it. Really easy card. Really cute. Minimal stamping, and a good way to use the Dear Builder punch. And if you have a little bit of extra of the crumb cake paper, it's another good way to use your crumb cake cardstock. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please check back for my next 7 days of Christmas. I have put a link of all the products I've used in the description bar below. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.